Hi everyone, this is your daily weather hazard briefing from the National Weather Service office here in Pocatello, Idaho for Friday, November 15th. We've got another system that's going to be arriving today, and that's going to bring some snow showers for many of us as we go through tonight and into early Saturday morning. Then a little bit of a break, but don't worry, we've got more snow coming our way Sunday into Monday. So keep in mind, temperatures are going to be a little bit cooler today, but we will see a very brief window of opportunity this afternoon for a bit of a rain-snow mix down here in the valleys as moisture starts to move in. That's a pretty small time frame, though, because we'll quickly start to drop those temperatures and switch over to all snow tonight into early Saturday morning. Those winds are also going to pick up on the backside of the system, too, very early Saturday morning or late tonight, however you want to look at it. We'll get into that here in just a minute. Here's a look at satellite. Early this morning, you can start to see moisture working its way back into central and eastern Idaho. That is going to be the theme of the day as this next system continues to move our way and, again, eventually bring some snow showers to most of us. So the first half of today, relatively quiet, all things considered. Chilly start to the day, but we'll start to see more of that rain moving in this afternoon, quickly switching over to snow showers for pretty much everybody overnight into early Saturday morning. A little bit of a break in the activity for kind of Saturday afternoon through early Sunday before then that next system shows up in the second half of the weekend, and that'll continue into early Monday. Temperatures today, as mentioned, will be a little bit cooler. Some of us were, pretty close to 50 yesterday. Today, highs will more so be in the low 40s. As far as wind gusts go through the first half of today, not too much of an issue for us. We'll see kind of our typical wind gusts around 15, 20 miles per hour. But on the backside of the system, we will see those winds picking up tonight with gusts closer to about 35, even potentially almost 40 miles per hour in some of our typically windier spots, kind of where we get into that Idaho area or the Yale exit. If you're taking 84 in between that split and down to the Utah state line, again, that's kind of one of our typical windier spots with some of these setups. So it'll be windy in that area tonight into early tomorrow. Keep in mind, during some of that time, we'll also have some snow falling. And of course, anytime you have falling snow and wind, that's not great for driving conditions. Do have a couple of winter weather advisories out for part of the area. We'll talk a little bit more about some of the uncertainty and where that kind of lies, at least through parts of the Magic Valley and into the lower Snake Plain here. But for the most part, if you're going to be traveling that northern part of I-15 over Oneida Pass, it probably won't be great overnight tonight. Or if you're traveling over Emigration Pass down the southeast corner, also probably won't be the best drive if you're doing that late tonight into early Saturday morning. So here is one model's take of how things kind of evolved this evening and into early Saturday morning. You'll notice we've got quite a bit of snow showers for kind of that 84, 86, 15 corridor here. What we're going to be watching is potential for a convergence band of some snow overnight tonight into early tomorrow morning, so kind of an enhanced area of snowfall. The question is where exactly that sets up. Now, one model has it closer to the Burley area, another model has it closer to Pocatello, so that's kind of the main reason why we've got that winter weather advisory out. There's kind of a range in boom or bust potential here. So here are those snow totals. This is what's currently in the forecast. Now, that gives about 3 to 4 inches in the Pocatello area, 1 to 2 inches near Burley. Now, depending on where that convergence band sets up, those numbers could almost be flip-flopped. I think here in Pocatello, we'll pretty solidly see about 2 to 3 inches, up to about 4 inches on the benches. But if that convergence band is a little bit farther west, closer to the Burley area, that could bump up some of those snow totals from Burley to Oakley closer to maybe a 2, 3, up to 4 inches of snow. And you can see the bulk of the snow really is going to be falling through the South Hills and kind of southeastern highlands here up in the mountains. You go a little bit farther north, again, Oneida Pass, you get closer to about 3 to 4 inch range. Island Park, though, Ashton, 1 to 2, 2 to 3 inches of snow. Even over near Victor and Driggs, probably looking at about 1 to 2, up to 3 inches of snow. But here's kind of a look at some of the low and high end snow amounts for us. Again, as I mentioned, we kind of have bit of a potential for a boom or a bust here with some of these snowfall totals. basically from, American Falls to Pocatello especially. As we get into Saturday, again, things will start to taper off as we get into the afternoon. A few light snow showers may linger in the eastern highlands, but overall I'm not expecting a whole lot of additional accumulation Saturday afternoon into Saturday evening. Wind gusts will start to back off as we kind of get into Saturday afternoon, but still gusting around 20 to 30 miles per hour for most of us. Saturday going to be a chilly day. Highs, for some of us, may not quite make it all the way out of the mid-30s. So we get into Sunday, temperatures do warm up another couple degrees into the upper 30s, low 40s. Winds will start to pick up again ahead of that next system that's coming in with some gusts closer to about 20-25 miles per hour. But with that next system, that one may favor a bit more of the central mountains more so. So in general, we do have that snow returning for this afternoon and really overnight tonight into early Saturday morning. Most of that's wrapped up by about lunchtime on Saturday. Winds are going to be breezy too, especially through the eastern Magic Valley, South Hills, where we'll see gusts about 30 to 40 miles per hour overnight tonight into very early Saturday morning. A little bit of a break in the activity Saturday evening into early Sunday morning before that next system arrives Sunday night into Monday. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, you can always find the latest weather information online or follow us on social media if you have any questions, comments, or concerns. Otherwise, you can get us on, give us a phone call or send us an email. Have a great day.